Hello, my name is Josh Klepadlo. I'm a technical trainer here at Manitowoc Ice. Today we're going to go over the steps to replacing your water filter head on the new NEO with onboard water filtration. First thing you're going to need to do is remove the bin. We already have another video that goes over the full step-by-step of bin removal and reinstallation, so we're going to skip over that today. Once your bin is removed, go ahead and shut the water off to the machine. It's not required, but it is recommended. Now that you have the cover off, you're going to go ahead and replace this. But in order to get into the head area, you're going to have to remove this cover, remove these two screws, and then remove those two screws. You need to remove this so that you get enough space to slide this forward and get it out of its bracket. Now that all the screws are out and the little water pan is out of our way, we can slide this forward and pick it up. I'm going to go ahead and remove these two lines here. They're just John Guest fittings. Push in on the little white piece and pull out the hook. With our lines now disconnected, we can grab our new filter head. Go ahead and connect the lines before you install it back in the machine. Make sure you get the little feet into that bracket down there. I like to use a magnetic 5/16 nut driver to get the screws started. Just makes it easier holding the screw down there and that limited access. Okay, that's on there. We can go ahead and put our water catch pan back in. Now that you have your pan installed, go ahead and reinstall the top cover. Make sure it gets a good click so it's secure. From there, install your filter. At this point, all that's left to do is put the cover back on, restore water to the unit, check for leaks, and then at that point, go ahead and make some ice. From all of us here at Manitowoc Ice, we appreciate you watching. Stay tuned, like and subscribe for more content.